Erik, I just want to get your base case for tax reform. President Trump says it's done. He doesn't yet know what the corporate tax rate is, though. What is your base case now versus, say, 60 days ago?
We haven't really changed our mind. We think there might be a little bit, I wouldn't call it tax reform, a few tax cuts probably on the corporate side seems reasonable to assume, but I would reserve the word tax reform for something more comprehensive than what I think is reasonable to expect out of the U.S.
Well, when you take a look then, Didier, of the market response, what is currently priced in and what kind of re-rating does there need to be as we do see a rollout of the plan this week?
Well, indeed, little is priced, and I think the expectations have been brought down so low that the small tax cuts that's been referred to, I would agree that I don't think it would be very reasonable to expect a lot more than that. But these little tax cuts would be certainly one of the first achievements which the market would probably greet favorably, including on the dollar. You know, the dollar has been, of course, on a very weak patch for a long time, and it just so happens that at the same time we get this sort of a negative political news coming from Europe. You know, not a big surprise by any stretch of the imagination, but certainly not very positive. You can get some marginally better news coming from the U.S., and so the dollar could get some relief from that.